Yes, we are live. Can you all see me? Can you all hear me properly? Let me know in the chat box. Yes, good morning to you all. Okay, yes, butterfly, good morning. Fine. So, what is the purpose of this video? Yesterday, CISE has released the specimen question papers for the students of class 10 and class 12. Class 10 ICSE and class 12 ISC. So here I am going to tell you how to download that specimen question paper. But before we continue, there is one information for you कि council have not released all the question papers, but yes, all the important question papers, all the important question papers related to the subjects which are important. Anyway, all the subjects are important, but here we have some of the subjects covered over here. Though there's some of the subjects paper is already released. If you want those papers, okay, what you have to do is, first of all, you will be coming to the website of the council, and address for that is www.cisce.org. Type this and you will come to the home page. Then you will be going to the publication section. When you go to this publication wala section, don't worry, okay, you will not see a specimen paper over here. You have to go down, okay, just scroll down, and then you will be getting, okay, you will be getting a specimen paper over here. Look here, this is this is specimen paper for specimen question papers ICSE class 10 year 2023, and specimen question papers for ISC class 12 year is 2023. If you are class 10 students, you can click here, and if you are class 12 student, you can click over here, right? I will start with 12, class 12. If you come here, subjects covered are English language, literature in English, Bengali, Hindi, these subjects, followed by sociology, psychology, economics, commerce, maths, biology, and computer science. As I told you earlier, not all the subjects specimen paper have been released, right? And if you click over here, that is class 10 year 2022. So these are the subjects whose specimen paper is released. First one is English language, second one is English literature, then mathematics, physics, chemistry, and biology. I already have covered and discussed maths paper with you all. If you if you want to go through that video, you can go to my YouTube channel, and you can check out for the playlist. Okay, you will get it there, right? Go to my YouTube channel. Where is it? Okay, here. Name of the channel is PrepWin ICSE, right? And then go to what? Okay, so this is the content. You will see I have gone live discussing a specimen maths paper released by council for examination 2023. For year 2023, examination will be conducted in the month of February and March. Okay, and there are there are other videos also related to pulleys and machine. This is a practical or experiment based video. Then we have video on civics, history, physics, chemistry, maths. This is very important video related to physics, whereby I have covered the Selena textbook, revised syllabus, what you have to study and which pages are omitted. That is what I have covered in this video. Coming back here, today we are going to discuss about the specimen paper, specimen paper for subject physics. So here we go. You can see here ICSE 2023 examination subject now is physics. Maximum mark for this subject is 80, and the total time given is 2 hours. So 80 marks paper, 2 hours. For maths, time given is 2.5 hours, but for all the papers from science, that is physics, chemistry and biology, time limit is 2 hours. Now section A, right? What is the advantage of this specimen paper? We teachers were waiting for the specimen papers to be released, because once we get this specimen paper, now we know what kind of questions will be asked in the examination, and we can ask the student to prepare accordingly, and that we can frame the questions. Okay, we can prepare yourself properly for the examination. So this specimen paper is very, very important, right? Talking about section A, your paper is divided into two sections, section A and section B. Section A carries 40 marks and section B also carries 40 marks. Now what is the difference between section A and section B? So in section A you have questions which are all compulsory, no options are given to you. That means whatever chapters are there in your syllabus, you have to study each and every chapter, because if you leave any chapter as an option, so it can be a case whereby the chapter which you have left as an option, same question can appear in section A and you will lose your marks, and we don't want that to happen. Now attempt any four. Section B is you have to attempt any four out of 6 given questions. For maths, you have one question extra, that is 7 questions are given, and you have to attempt any four. But for physics, chemistry, and biology, 4 questions. Okay, you have to attempt 10 marks each, 10 into 40, 10 into 4, that is 40. Okay, 10 question, 4 questions, 10 marks each, so total weightage is 40 marks. So you have to solve 4 questions, and number of questions which will be given will be 6, right? Now see here, we will see section A where all the questions are compulsory. Weightage for this part is 40 marks, right? And how this 40 marks are distributed? They are distributed in 3 questions. Question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. Now question number 1 will be MCQ type question. What is MCQ type question? One question is given followed by 4 options A, B, C, D, and you have to select the correct option, right? So 1 mark each and 15 questions. So weightage for question number 1 is 15 marks. MCQ type question. Question number 2 is 15 marks. Weightage for question number 2 is 15 marks, and weightage for question number 3 is 10 marks. Now listen carefully, right? How 15 marks? This will be like 2 mark each questions, and this will be 6 question. 2 into 6. Okay, 2 marks for every questions, and there are in total 6 questions. So total is what? 12. And there will be one question for 3 marks. One long question for 3 marks. Okay, so this 1 into 3, that is 3, and 12 plus 3 is what? Is 15. So that was question number 2, and question number 3 will be 10 marks. This is simple. 2 marks each question, and number of questions are 5. So 2 into 5 is how much? 40. So here you have MCQ type questions and descriptive questions and other type of questions, and numericals can also be included here. We are going to see the actual specimen paper given by the council for physics. Okay, so we will see the kind of question which was asked. Coming to section B, here you have to solve any 4 out of given 6 questions, right? So options are available over here. Now as far as questions are concerned, there is no major change in the type of questions asked. You will see that question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 questions here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Okay, one more question is there. That is question number 9. Okay, so these 6 questions, and you have to solve any 4. And if you see this, every question is divided into 3 sub questions. One question carrying 3 mark, and another question carrying 3 mark, and the third question carrying 4 marks. So total is 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4 is 10. So total weightage is 10 marks each. And what kind of questions will be asked here? So kind of question which is asked will be let's come here. It will be either a descriptive based question. Okay, descriptive type question. What do I mean by descriptive question? Whereby a definition can be asked, a situation will be given to you, situation based question can be asked, then it can be a diagram based question or a numerical. Last year we have seen that the weightage for numerical was about 40 to 50%. 40 to 50%, right? It was just less than 50%. It was around 45, 48 in SEM 1, right? So numerical part is very, very important. You have to do that properly. Okay, I frequently keep on coming live in the evening. You can join my live classes whereby I'll be discussing all these kinds of questions. I'll also be telling the mistakes which students do while writing the paper, because it has been found that physics is the subject where most of the students lose marks. It is physics because of which students don't get 80 on 80 marks. Okay, so you have to do a special preparation. Now right now you have actual physics specimen paper given to us. This is the actual, okay, physics paper for ICSE 2023 examination, and this will be conducted in the month of February and March. Mostly it starts in the last week of February and goes up till third week of March, right? This is specimen question paper, and this is part 1. Chemistry is your part 2 and biology is part 3. Paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3, right? Maximum marks is 80. Time allotted is 2 hours. Answer to this paper must be written on the paper provided separately. So question paper is separate and answer paper is separate. You have to write answer on the sheet which is provided to you. Okay, answer sheet which is provided to you, right? That will be blank. You have to write the answer. You know that you write your school examination almost same. You will not be allowed to write during first 15 minutes. Why? Because first 15 minutes is the reading time. So you have to read the paper properly, all the questions properly. For physics, most of the time student they don't read the question properly, and question asked is something and student answer some right answer, some different answer. Okay, so read this question carefully. This reading time will be very helpful for you to select the optional questions in section B, because in section B you have to solve 4 out of 6 questions. So you can read your question paper thoroughly and you can select which questions you want to attempt and which you want to leave as an option. Okay, and the time given at the head of this paper is time allowed for writing, which is what, 2 hours or 120 minutes. Section A is compulsory. Okay, and attempt any 4 from section B. From section B, you have to attempt any 4 questions. Okay, and the intended marks for questions or parts of a question are given in a box bracket. See here, see, intended marks are given here, 15 marks. Choose the correct answer to the questions from the given. This is MCQ, multiple choice question. And how many questions are there? There are 15 questions. Okay, carrying 1 mark each. 1 mark each. Okay, 15 question. SI unit of momentum is what? So option, not an SI unit is not given here, so you have to write your answer accordingly. And see, 1 question followed by 4 options, A, B, C, D. Diagram based question is also there, right? Again, a question followed by 4 options. 1 more diagram based question. Okay, graph related question. Fine. 13, 14. Okay, relation between the angles, light. And then comes question number 2. This question carries, okay, this question carries how much? 15 marks. 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so you can see 2 marks question. Generally this is 1 mark each question, whereby for 2 marks there will be 2 sub questions, right? 2 marks sub question, but not here. Then again a numerical diagram and numerical kind of question, 2 marks question. This is also diagram plus numerical, combination of both. Name the force which produce maximum moment about. Okay, 2 marks and 2 sub questions. So generally these questions are 1 mark each, right? And second question is question number 3 is 5 questions carrying 2 marks each. I hope you are getting all this, right? Then coming to section B, you have to attempt any 4 questions out of given 6 questions. So as I told you, there is not much change over here. Question number sub question 1 carries 3 marks. Then sub question 2 will also carry 3 marks, and then followed by third sub question that will carry 4 marks, and the pattern of the questions remains same for other questions also. Okay, sub question number 1 carrying 3 marks, sub question number 2 also carrying 3 marks, and sub question number 4 carrying 4 marks. Okay, so here question related to pulley. I have done an experiment of this on this pulley. You can watch that video, a very helpful video for you all, right? So go through this paper. Okay, as of now you have not completed your syllabus, so there is no point in solving this paper. Once we complete our syllabus, we will definitely make sure that we solve this paper as well. If you have any question, let me know. Ania, okay, any doubt? Dishita Joshi, Prathamesh, Kifu, Elon Musk, Smarty, Butterfly, Soparts Gaming. Okay, now most of the student might be attending their school today, so not many students are attending, but whoever attending, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise I am ending my live stream. Okay, and a very happy Guru Purnima to all my students, right? So can I end my class? Can I end my live streaming? Let me know if you have any doubt, or else okay, I am ending my class. Any doubt? Let me know. Let me know fast. Chalo, see you soon in my next class. Chalo, bye all of you. Bye, bye.